Hello and welcome. My name is Trevor, and I am here to help you on your English learning journey.
And hello from me, Alicia. We are so glad you are here with us. Today, we have a very exciting topic traveling abroad.
That's right. Traveling is a wonderful experience, and knowing the right English phrases can make your journey smoother and much more enjoyable.
Definitely. So, today we are going to take you on a full journey in English. We will start with planning your trip, then go to the airport, get on the plane, and finally arrive at your destination.
We will go slowly and practice together. Remember, you can pause anytime to repeat the phrases. Are you ready, Alicia?
I am ready. Let's begin our journey.
Okay. The first step of any trip is booking. This means planning and paying for your travel and accommodation.
So, that means booking a flight and reserving a hotel room.
Exactly. You can do this online or with a travel agent. Let's talk about some key phrases for booking a flight. You might need to choose between a round trip ticket or a one-way ticket.
Okay, so round trip means you are flying to a place and then back again. And one way means you are only flying to the place.
That is perfect. And for a hotel, you will make a reservation or book a room. Let's imagine you're calling a hotel. How would you ask for a room, Alicia?
Okay, let's try. I will call the hotel. Ring, ring. Hello? I would like to book a room for 2 nights, please.
Certainly. For which date?
From October 14th to October 16th.
Great. We have rooms available.
That was easier than I thought.
It often is. Now, let's practice that key sentence for our listeners. I'll say it slowly, then you can repeat it at a more natural speed.
Okay.
Slowly, I would like to book a room.
Now, naturally, I would like to book a room.
Excellent. Once you book, you'll get a confirmation email. This email is very important. It has all the details of your booking.
Okay, our flight is booked, our hotel is reserved. Now it's time to go to the airport. This can be a busy and sometimes confusing place.
It can be, but we can break it down into simple steps. The first step when you arrive at the airport is check in. You go to the check in desk for your airline.
Right, this is where you get your boarding pass and check your luggage.
Correct. Luggage refers to your bags. The big bags that you check in go under the plane. The small bag you take with you on the plane is called a carry on.
Okay, let's do a role play. You can be the airline agent and I'll be the passenger.
Perfect. Hello. Where are you flying to today?
Hello, I'm flying to London.
May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Are you checking any bag?
Yes, just this one.
Okay. And would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please. I love looking at the clouds.
All right. Here's your boarding pass. Your flight departs at gate B27 at 3:15. You should be at the gate by 2:45. Have a nice flight.
Thank you so much.
You see, very smooth. Now, for our listeners, let's practice asking for a seat. Repeat after me. Slowly, would you like a window or an aisle seat?
Now, naturally, would you like a window seat or an aisle seat? And you can answer a window seat, please, or an aisle seat, please.
After check in comes the security check. Here, they check your carry on bags. You usually need to take out any liquids and electronics, like your laptop.
Yes, I always have to remember that. Then, after security, we find our gate. The gate number is on the boarding pass.
That's right. You wait at the gate until your boarding time. That's the time you can get on the plane. Sometimes you will hear announcements. For example, may I have your attention, please? Flight BA249 to London is now boarding at gate B27.
And if you hear this is the final call, that means the plane is leaving very soon and you need to hurry.
Yes, you don't want to hear that one.
Okay, we are past security and we are now on the plane. What's next, Trevor?
First, you find your seat number. Then you can put your carry on bag in the overhead compartment, which is the storage area above the seat.
Got it. Then I sit down and fasten my seatbelt.
Perfect. During the flight attendants will be there to help you. You can ask them for things politely. For example, how would you ask for a drink, Alicia?
I would say, "Excuse me, could I have a glass of water, please?"
That's a wonderful, polite way to ask. Let's practice that. Slowly, could I have a blanket, please?
And naturally, "Could I have a blanket, please?"
You can replace blanket with water, headphones, or anything else you need. Exactly. Using could I and please makes your English sound very polite and natural.
After a few hours, the plane lands. We have arrived, but the journey isn't over yet.
Not yet. After you get off the plane, you follow the signs to immigration or passport control. This is where an officer checks your passport.
This part can make some people nervous. What kind of questions do they ask?
They are usually very simple questions. The most common one is, what is the purpose of your visit? Let's role play this. I'm the officer, you're the traveler.
Okay, I'm ready.
Good. Good afternoon. May I see your passport?
Here you are.
Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for tourism. I'm on vacation.
And how long will you be staying?
For 2 weeks.
All right, enjoy your stay.
Thank you. See, simple and clear answers are best.
Exactly. Let's practice the two most common answers. Listeners, please repeat. Slowly, I'm here for tourism.
Naturally, I'm here for tourism.
Or if you are there for work, slowly, I'm here for business.
Naturally, I'm here for business.
After immigration, you go to baggage claim to pick up your checked luggage. Then you walk through customs and you are officially out of the airport.
We made it. We are in a new country. But now, how do we get to our hotel?
This is the final step of our journey for today. You have several options for transportation. You can take a taxi, a shuttle bus, or use public transport like a train or bus.
And you might need to ask for directions. How can I ask where the taxis are?
A simple and polite way is, excuse me, where can I find the taxi stand? The taxi stand is the area where taxis wait for passengers.
That's very useful.
Let's practice that one. Slowly, excuse me, where can I find the taxi?
Naturally, "Excuse me, where can I find the taxis?"
Or for the bus, where can I find the bus to the city center?
Perfect. And with that, you are on your way to the hotel, ready to start your adventure.
But the adventure continues. Once you arrive at the hotel, the next step is to check in.
That's right. Checking in is when you formally arrive at the hotel and get your room key. Shall we practice this?
An excellent idea. Let's do another role play. You be the guest, and I'll be the hotel receptionist. Let's begin. Good evening. Welcome to the Grand Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello, I have a reservation under the name Alicia.
Let me check for you. Yes, I see it here. A double room for 3 nights.
That's correct. Could I have your passport and a credit card for the deposit, please?
Of course. Here they are.
Thank you. Everything is in order. Here is your key card. Your room is 502 on the 5th floor. The elevators are just over there. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. in the main dining hall.
Thank you. Could you tell me the Wi Fi password?
Certainly. It's on the key card holder. Enjoy your stay.
Thanks for your help. That was great, Alicia. You see how a few key phrases can make the process very simple?
It really was. Let's break down those important sentences for our listeners. First, to say you have a booking. Slowly, I have reservation under the name. Naturally, I have a reservation under the name, your name. And a very useful question for internet access. Slowly, could you tell me the Wi Fi password? Naturally, could you tell me the Wi Fi password? Okay, so you've checked in and you're in your room. But what if you need something? For example, what if you need more towels?
Good question. You can call the front desk or housekeeping. It's similar to when we ask for a blanket on the plane. You can say, could I have some extra towels, please?